medyo tugnaw na gid siya karon, and I'm working in a garage right now. It's very cold. This morning it was like -1 degree. The thing is, I'm wearing this kasi daghan mo ko mga sinina nga kanang kuan, daghan ko na ko mga mga sweatshirt. Yan ako sa garahe karon kay kanang ko heater. Na ko kaning robe. So inana na siya kari. Kung winter na gani, tugnaw siya ba? Like really tugnaw. So right now it's tugnaw. But I need to work, and I'm here in the garage. Muna akong workstation. I have one upstairs and basta duha sa upstairs. But the thing is, I'm working more on this kasi every time after work, after shooting, butang na ko mga stuff na ko diya, mga bag. Good kayo. I have 3 bags there if you can see. So one kana siya para photo, so na siya sa travel. Other ones like video akong set up, and I have a video one downstairs, and that's the downstairs down there. But yeah, nako yung lain mga bags. So I'm just trying to make a quick video right now because I think I'm getting stressed out. I have a lot of things to do. Yeah, my ADHD just kicks in and I can't finish things. But anyway, let's try to finish work today. Just want to say hi, and yeah. So yeah, when I'm working in this environment here, paspasan ako bakuan, turn on an heater, and then kung gikan ko sa gawas, kaning auto, you see the engine is like a big heater itself. So once magpaandar ka sa auto, init. Park din ako rin. Medyo bahong aso sa high, but not most of the times because the cars here are not the same as sa Philippines nga, manimaho. But kanang muna siya akong big heater. So parking sa auto, init mo makina. List ngong init. So init ka rin. I don't know if it's bad for me. I think it's bad for me. But anyway, that should be fine for now. Anyway, yeah, muna siya. Trabaho na ako. I'm just making this quick video right now just to tell you guys how it is. And yeah, also this lighting is so bad. I usually turn this off here. And wala ko yung suka. Put on a light up there. Oops. And that's it. So I'm gonna put a light like this. So muna siya ang lighting na nito. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm just gonna go back to work. Another day. So nagplano ko mag-gym last night or early this morning. So nag-enroll ko sa gym. I enrolled for like 3 months of gym. And when I was about to blown out. That's not it. kadali lang. Yeah, so over na sad yawa. So I was planning to go to the gym earlier, and the thing is kikapoy ko. So I just edited all night. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just gonna try to get some edits done, and hopefully by tonight I can go to the gym. So yeah, there's that. So muna siya. Sunny ta kayo. Nindot kang it's cold but it's sunny. So kung sunny, siga. Kung sunny gali nindot kang weather, and then kung painit lang ka, okay na. But I have a lot of things to do, so let's just do those things that I need to do. A quick run to the shopping center because the thing is, kailangan lang ko mapalit og kanang kuan sangkap para sa among lutuon karon, which is paki. Tingnan ng paki. Nakalimot ko. Sakit ng paki. Cold right now nya kanang cold gid siya. Kasi sun but cold yapon. Udto na gudron niya. Murag hayag kang sun pero cold yapon. See, it's like 17 degrees Celsius pero mura siyang init siya pero tugnaw. Pero 17 degrees na siya tugnaw. Nakikita niyo mo diyan sa dash. Panoy ni mga tao magbili ng inani ba kanang pwede mi dadon sa sulod niya. Ibili na lang ating misti. Okay, naman kayo sulod kin ay guys. Sakyan na nato. I get some lemons here. That's Huawei. Big cube now. Yeah, this is fine. Later. That wonderful car. Got back home, back to my computer, and balik sa work side. Muna problema ba kung kanang nakay kanang alleged ADHD or di ba kanang gitapol kag trabaho kasi I've been trying to work on these things because busy kay ko karong this week. Busy kay ko this week. I have a deadline for tomorrow, a video that I'm editing. I have 2 weddings or 3 weddings or more nga akong editonon. And by Thursday, na ko'y shoot. So I have to be out. I can't edit. I have to rest on Friday. But the thing is, ini kasabado na sad, shoot ko, larga ko Sydney and I have to be back the next day. So this week is really hot. And then by next week, next Thursday, larga na sa kog Sydney. So it's a lot of larga. It's good. It's good that nag-shoot. But the thing is, yeah, when it comes to editing and processing my own gigs, it gets stressful and it gets crazy. But anyway, we can do this. Time's up. Ito na mo sa likod ha. Muna yung garage door. And then muna siya mabili siya. Hinay lang, kinala siya i-oil or sa akin. Murag nagdaot ng taas. But yeah, that's... Wala may auto karon. So this is how it looks. Bleed ako. Hayag kis kawas. Itaya muna siya. Wala na ko ilingaw. Ako tugnaw. Ako ni Plasera balik. Ito sila. So, tugnaw. So, ako ni sira balik. Anyway, trabaho na ko. Gitapol ko. Grabe kaya akong... Kailangan ako trabaho. Tapos ko. One part, but the thing is, kapoy ko gimo sa kanang captions na kuan. So, I'm just gonna take a break right now and puwais ako. Kay di na mo trabaho kong utok. Alas 12 na. Matulog na ta. Ginit pa ko. Yeah, abi na akong matulog na ko ba? Di pa ko matulog. Mag-gym pa ko. First day back sa gym. Let's go. Yes, it's been a while. Hello, gym. There's the gym. Let's go. Okay, first day back sa gym was shit. After a very long time, balik ko sa gym and it just sucks. Kapoy. And yeah, one week lang tulog, but I need to take care of myself more. So we're gonna try to do this maski every other day as much as possible. We'll go to the gym because we're paying for it. And yeah, good luck. Whew, let's go. Sige, muna gini. Final na gini siya. See you later. Okay, buntag na. It's around 2:30 in the morning. Now kayo. Nag-fog-fog.